Hi reception. So, can you solve a doubling problem? Do you remember what doubling is? Can you remember? What does doubling mean? Can you tell mummy or daddy? Do you remember? Yes, doubling is when you add the same number twice. You add the same number together. So when we're doubling, do our numbers get bigger or smaller? Yes, they get bigger because doubling means you get more. So our numbers get bigger. Now, if we're adding the same number together, what does that mean? So if I need to double 1, it's 1 add 1. Yes, 1 add 1. What about 2? Yes, 2 add 2. Very good. So what would double 3 be? 3 add 3. Very good. And double 4? 4 add 4. Very good. And 5? Yep, 5 add 5. So I've got some doubling number problems for you. So let's see if you can give them a go. Charlie has 2 lollipops. Mrs. Draycott has double. How many lollipops does Mrs. Draycott have? Charlie has 2 lollipops. Oh, they look nice. Mrs. Draycott has got double. Charlie has got 2 lollipops. Mrs. Draycott has got double. How many lollipops does Mrs. Draycott have? What's double 2? 4. Yes, well done. Double 2 is 4, and if you write it as a number sentence, it would be 2 add 2 equals 4. Frank has got 5 dog treats. Bruno has got double. How many dog treats does Bruno have? Frank has got 5 doggy biscuits. Bruno has got double. Frank has got 5 doggy biscuits, but Bruno has got double. How many doggy biscuits does Bruno have? Yeah. 10! Bruno, you greedy boy. Good boys. Double 5 is 10. And if you write it as a number sentence, 5 add 5 equals 10. Now we've had practice and you know what to do, I'm going to give you some to solve all by yourself. And I'm not going to tell you the answers. The only way to get the answers is to send us your work and we can tell you if they're right or if you need to practice them a little bit more. So have a look at these doubling number problems and have a go. Good luck. Collect 6 leaves outside. Get 6 more. How many do you have all together? If there are 7 fish swimming in the tank and 7 more came along, how many fish would there be altogether in the tank? Put 8 stones in a bucket. Put in 8 more. How many do you have all together? If I gobbled up 9 delicious strawberries and Charlie also gobbled up 9 delicious strawberries, how many strawberries would we have eaten all together? Oh, I might just take one now. Did you have a go? Did you enjoy it? Charlie found it fun. Maybe you could get mummy and daddy to check your answers, see if you got them right. And if you didn't, don't worry, we practice and we try again. And your next challenge would be, so if we were at school, we'd call it a next step, wouldn't we? Your next step would be to make your own doubling number problem. You could do it as a video, you could write it on a piece of paper, any way you like, and you could send it to your teachers so we can see what you've been up to. Right, we'll see you soon, and we're going to be doing a halving video soon, so that's the opposite to doubling. So instead of our numbers getting big, they're going to get small. So we'll see you soon for a bit of halving number problems. Bye.